Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Tawny.
And I'm Wayne.
And we are Life Outside of Boundaries. We just started our new channel recently, and we wanted to give a little bit of background on what we're about and how we came to be and how we met and why we were doing what we're doing now. So just to start off, we started dating in 2018, and we right away started going on adventures. We only knew each other for like a month, and we went on a trip to Key West and stayed in Key West and did a bunch of fun stuff down there. And then we went on a cruise a couple months later. We went skydiving a couple months after that. We did parasailing in the Bahamas. We went on a helicopter trip. We did a lot of different cool activities together that were super fun and kind of like strengthened our relationship because we had a bond knowing that we both really loved doing those adventurous things together. So from there, we had a huge trip planned. I don't know if you want to talk about the trip that we had planned.
Yeah, we had a big trip planned for Switzerland in May of 2020, and that obviously got canceled because of the coronavirus. So we ended up getting furloughed from our jobs, and then we went on road trips to South Carolina, North Carolina, where I engaged to Tawny. And after that, we decided to plan a Colorado trip, which we spent tent camping for 1 month, and we camped in between all the states on the road trip up there from South Florida all the way to West Colorado, as far as Gypsum, past the Rockies, and we had some pretty harsh weather. It was 30 degrees every night that we went, with brutal winds. So tent camping wasn't exactly ideal as we thought it would be.
We still had a lot of fun though.
We went on a lot of hikes, did a lot of exploring.
He doesn't think we had fun apparently. What did you say?
What do you mean?
Your hair's blown.
And we decided we wanted to get a camper.
Yeah. And before we decided we wanted to get the camper, we had some other things that happened. So we started kind of a small photography business, and we kind of realized that we wanted to do more work for ourselves and less working for a company, which was honestly like a great revelation that we got from getting let go because of COVID. So we started the photography business, and we decided we don't really have a place that we need to live full time. Like, we're just sitting here in Florida and it's like 100 degrees outside, and we could be somewhere where it's beautiful right now because we have nothing really holding us where we're at. So we decided to go look for a travel trailer instead of a tent. So we got our travel trailer. It's a 2019 Coachman Clipper. Her name is Dee Dee because she's got 2 doors, double doors, so it stands for DD. And we love her, and we are now currently remodeling her. That's just one of the big projects that we have planned for her though. So we already have started we already took all the cabinets off. We've already started all of our painting for it. And then we're gonna do some like refabricating and just like redecorations and adding some functionality to live in it full time. But on top of that, we're gonna be doing some other like a little bit more technical projects. I don't know if you wanna.
Yeah, I plan on redoing the entire roof. We spent a long time getting all the black streaks off the sides of it already. Just all the technical, mechanical stuff that needs to be done with trailers, repacking the tires, etc., etc. We'll be posting videos and reviews on products that we're using for that as well.
And solar.
And we plan on making it solar, so we can stay boondocking for extended periods of time. So that'll be a big project that we still need to dive into once we get the cosmetics out of the way.
Yep. And we've already been kind of creating content along the way, and not necessarily of the camper and like the traveling. Well, we have done some of the traveling through our Instagram, which is Life Outside Boundaries as well. And we, on that channel, we have a lot of like health and yoga related content, but most of it's like all outdoors, natures and adventures and travel, and us doing yoga in a lot of really cool places. So definitely check out our Instagram. You'll want to see what we're going to be posting there because we have a lot more fun things to come, especially once we start traveling in Didi. And not only that, but we wanted to start our YouTube channel because we've just been experiencing so many really cool things, and we never pictured us, like ourselves, being able to do this and like go live in a camper full time and just live our lives the way we want to, because we always thought that we had to live exactly how we were like raised and told to live, and it's not anyone's fault, it's just the way society is. So we kind of wanted to inspire other people that like you can follow your heart and you can do things the way you want to, and it is possible, you can make them happen. So we wanted to show you like what we've done along the way to make them happen, and try to inspire you more, and also provide you some of the things that we've learned, some lessons along the way, and hopefully help other people to live their lives to the fullest and have some crazy fun adventures and go do what they really want to do and what's truest like to their hearts. So follow our channel. We're gonna have a lot of really fun, different kinds of videos coming soon. A lot of remodeling for now, but soon we're gonna have some great travel too. So
Yeah. Make sure to
subscribe
to our channel and watch out for our future content.
Yep.
Thank you.